Hello again, welcome to Topedia. In this week's video, I will show you guys the best winch kits for your ATV or UTV. Whether you're an avid hunter or fisherman, or just like to explore nature, having a good winch kit for your ATV or UTV is a must. A winch kit can help you get out of tough spots and make your adventures that much more fun. So which one is the best? We've got the lowdown on the top 5 kits available. Let's see them. Number 1, Champion 3000 pounds ATV UTV winch kit. The Champion wireless winch kit is truly a champion and deserves every reason to be called that great name. If you're familiar with the world of the manufacturer, you'll find out that they have produced the 2000 pounds weight winch. It is a lot less potent than the Champions that is capable of pulling cars or any equipment that weighs up to 3000 pounds. Apart from the high capacity to load a 3,000 weight car onto a trailer, the Champion winch comes as a very sturdy and durable item. It has 1 HP permanent magnet motor. And it comes with 49 feet Super Duty aircraft cable with rugged, latched clevis hook. You also need to note that when it comes to purchasing the hardware of this item, you'll not be forced to break banks. They are affordable, and you can find out the cost of the bolts and nuts that this model requires. It also comes with Champion support, which is 2-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support. Number 2, Warn 90250 ProVintage 2500 winch. Warn has a lot of its models on this list. It is due to its capacity to lead the market and deliver a wide variety of winches in different pull ratings and loading capacities. The Warn 90250 ProVintage 2500 winch is a guide that has become riders' favorite. With a 50 feet of 3/16 inch rope, you can pull any load with a capacity in the region of 2,500 pounds. The planetary gears are other features you'll love about this winch. The gears come in 3 stages, making it easier for you to wind out or wind in loads quickly. Then comes the patented disc brake, which provides extra seamless control for you as you try to operate the machine. Operating the winch becomes a lot easier and simpler at that level. Number 3, Viper Midnight 4,500 pounds winch. When it comes to an ATV winch that is capable of holding out against some of the heaviest four-wheelers, the Viper winch kit is the guy to beckon at. We all know Viper has been here for quite some time. So, having it feature among the top 5 ATV winch brands is no surprise. One thing many riders want to see in a winch is that it can pull heavy equipment, including your heavyweight ATVs and UTVs. The Viper does not lack in that area because if you fasten the Viper to the car with a weight in the region of 4,500 pounds, this guy will pull it effortlessly. That's massive power from this model. The general outlook of the Viper Midnight presents nothing less than awe and respect. The manufacturers intend a design and style for this winch that no other product on the list matches. That's not enough. The Viper winch also boasts durability and flexibility. It is not a product that won't give value for money. It doesn't matter whether it is being pulled on the water because the Viper winch will survive immersion, submersion, and insertion into water. Number 4, Superwinch 1135220 Terra 35. The first time I came across this model, I knew I was up for a kit that would not disappoint me. I had heard some hint about it during a summer visit to a cousin in Florida. From then on, I've no doubt the Superwinch would make one of the best ATV winches of all time. Looking closely at this model, the first thing you find out is that this Superwinch is very lightweight, adding only 20 pounds to the dry weight of the ATV. You're talking of a winch that will load powerful equipment onto your trailer and yet makes the net weight quite light. Another exciting feature of the Superwinch brags is their power. It's capable of loading a car or equipment that weighs something in the neighborhood of 3,500 pounds. That's about 1,000 pounds lower than what our first 2 winches deliver. All of this the Superwinch does effortlessly. The mode of operating this device is quite easy. With an adjustable handlebar, you'll be able to run the machine. That doesn't stop you if you choose to switch to the remote control. Hauling out heavy tools and equipment with this winch is quite effortless, considering that it's equipped with a built-in 50-foot steel rope. The last in our list is the Keeper Corporation KT2000 Tracker Electric Winch. If nothing, an ATV winch shouldn't be lacking in excellent loading power, durable cable, reasonable price, and durability. The first thing that will attract you to this winch is its durability. The warranty that comes with this model is higher compared to many of the models in its category. It means you can use the Keeper winch for a more extended period before you start thinking of having another one. Although it is designed for lighter and smaller ATVs, the Keeper will keep it shoulder high even in the middle of the cruelest weather conditions. It is why the manufacturer ensures the model comes as a weatherproof and water-resistant winch. If that convinces you to buy this model, something more will push you to start recommending the Keeper winch model. It is the attachment point at the slide drum of the winch. It allows you the freedom for versatility when you're stuck on those bumpy roads and awkward terrain. Now that you've seen our top 5 list of best ATV or UTV winch kits, you can make your purchase decision. To know more details and buying options, visit Topedia.com. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.